In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your camera view in Cinema 4D. Getting comfortable with camera views makes a huge difference in how quickly you can explore and frame your scene. There are two simple approaches you'll use all the time: navigating the default perspective view to find the angle you want, and switching into a specific camera object when you're ready to look through it directly. Let's start with navigating the perspective view. This is the flexible default viewport you see when you open a scene. Hold the Alt key and use your mouse buttons to move around. Alt plus left click lets you rotate or tumble around your objects, which is perfect for exploring your model from different sides. Alt plus middle click lets you pan, sliding the view horizontally and vertically to recenter your subject. Alt plus right click lets you zoom in and out or dolly to tighten or widen your framing. Use these together to quickly find the angle that feels right. This method is great because you're not tied to a specific camera. You're simply moving the viewer's point of view until you land on a composition you like. Now, when you need to look through a dedicated camera, switch to a camera object. You can do this from the Object Manager by selecting the camera you want to use. Alternatively, you can choose a camera from the camera menu in the viewport, which lets you pick an existing camera to view through. Once you've identified the camera you want, enter its view by clicking the small square icon next to the camera's name in the Object Manager. When that icon is enabled, you're officially looking through that camera, and any navigation you do will adjust that camera's position and rotation directly. That small square icon is a helpful toggle. Click it once to jump into the camera's view, and click it again to step back out to the perspective view. Use this to check your composition from the camera's exact framing, then quickly return to free navigation to keep exploring or making adjustments without affecting the camera. As you work, remember the difference in behavior. In the perspective view, Alt and the mouse buttons help you scout for angles without altering any camera objects. When you're inside a camera view, the same controls refine the actual shot. Switching between the two approaches lets you explore comfortably and then commit to a precise composition when you're ready. That's all you need to confidently change your camera view in Cinema 4D. Practice these moves, and you'll frame your scenes faster and more intentionally every time.